Dear friends, this is Wael Bashuri, math and physics teacher. In this video, I'm going to solve question number 17 from version 41, May-June 2025. The diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD. Calculate AD. So the requirement here is to calculate this length AD. Clearly, we have to use cosine rule. So here we can say AD squared is equal to 9.6 squared plus 12.1 squared minus 2 times 9.6 times 12.1 times cosine 56. And that comes from the equation. Write it down on your notebook so you can memorize it easily. This is side B opposite to angle B. This is side A opposite to angle A. This is side C opposite to angle. This is side D opposite to angle D. So if you start with B, you can say B squared is equal to A squared plus D squared minus 2 times AD times cosine angle between both sides, which is angle B. Then if you plug everything in the equation, then you type it on the calculator, you get AD is equal to 10.4. That is question A. Now for question B, calculate the obtuse angle BDC. Obtuse angle BDC is here. So this is the angle you have to calculate. In this case, we're gonna use the cosine rule. So let me show you what we have to do. Here is the angle to be found. We can use sine rule directly for this angle. So we can write 15.8. Let me first write the sine rule. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. What does this rule mean? This means you have to divide side by sine angle opposite to it equal another side by sine angle opposite to it. So in this case, we're gonna divide 15.8 divided by sine D, that's what you have to find, is equal to 12.1 divided by sine 47. Now to find angle D, we cross multiply this equation. So if you cross multiply it, you get 12.1 times sine D is equal to 15.8 times sine 47. Now we divide both sides by 12.1 here, 12.1 here. Now cancel these. So you get angle D. In this case, it would be 107. So D is equal to sine inverse what you got here, which is 107.3. So you go to the calculator and you do shift sign, then you get the answer. So the answer is 107. Okay, so now let's write it here, 107.3. Now next question, calculate the area of the quadrilateral. The area of the quadrilateral consists of two areas or two triangles, area 1 and area 2. So you have to calculate each one of these areas, then you add them. To calculate area of triangle, the formula is very easy. Area equal half AB sine C. What does that mean? It means you have to multiply half times side times another side times sine angle between the two sides. So let's do that here and see what we get. Area 1 is equal to half times 9.6 times 12.1 times sine 56. And area 2 would be, in this case, half times 12.1 times 15.8 times sine angle, which is here. We don't know it. In order to calculate it, we have to add 47 plus 107.3, then divide, then subtract from 180. So in order to do that, let's do it here. Let's find it here. This angle, we have to find it. We say this is 180 minus 107.3 plus 47, and this would be 180 minus 154.3. So 180 minus 154.3 would be 25.7. So here I have to write this angle 25.7. Finally, you have to add area 1 and area 2. So total area equal area 1 plus area 2. And that is the way you solve this question. Thank you very much indeed for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos.